equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the HP Spectre 13AP0002NS, specifically focusing on the USB-C port issue. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, flip the device over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. With the back cover removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the USB-C port on the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the port with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. This will help remove any dust or debris that could be causing connectivity issues. Now, inspect the USB-C port for any visible damage. If it appears loose or damaged, you may need to replace it. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. If you're comfortable proceeding, you'll need to desolder the old USB-C port. This requires a soldering iron and some solder wick. Heat the soldering iron and carefully apply it to the solder joints of the USB-C port. Use the solder wick to absorb the melted solder, allowing you to remove the port. Be cautious not to damage the surrounding components. Once the old port is removed, it's time to install the new one. Position the new USB-C port in place and solder it onto the motherboard. Ensure that the connections are secure and that there are no solder bridges between the pins. After soldering, give the area another clean with isopropyl alcohol to remove any flux residue. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws. Finally, power on your laptop and test the USB-C port with a compatible device. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your HP Spectre 13AP0002NS. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. If you're not comfortable with any of these steps, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. We are here to assist you with no calls, no travel, making the process as easy as possible. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.